The use of generative artificial intelligence is on the rise. A recent report from PwC estimates that the North American economy will see a $3.7 trillion impact by 2030, thanks to the AI market. So there's no better time to learn how to make money by using AI tools. Some AI-related side hustles include integrating AI tools as a freelancer to help you create digital products or to edit AI content for a client. Improving your advertising, marketing efforts and management of your existing small business. Teaching others to use AI tools. Total time depends on demand. Setup around 24 to 48 hours if using a site like Upwork or Freelancer.com. How easy to start. If you're already familiar with AI tools, it will be easier to get started. Age threshold 16 plus for Freelancer.com and 18 for Upwork. How fast you'll get paid varies by client or the number of products you sell and your chosen platform.